ma'am. My name is Christina. I am going to be checking on your radial pulse today. Would that be okay with you?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. So I've already washed my hands thoroughly. I'm going to go ahead and look for your radial pulse. It's usually right here. Do you want to feel it?
Sure.
You can put your fingers right where mine are. Do you feel it?
Yep, right away.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to count for 60 seconds. The 60 seconds have passed. Your radial pulse is of 63. I found no irregularities. Everything was very normal. You didn't skip a beat or anything like that. Let me write this down. 63. Okay, perfect. Do you have any questions for me?
No, thank you.
Okay.